Hello everyone. A couple of tips and tricks for using your FreeArm. You have your FreeArm here. The arm is pretty strong, and that is because the FreeArm also supports a 1200 milliliter feed bag. So for those families who are tube feeding, discharged with a G-tube, the FreeArm can also support a lightweight pump in that feed bag up to 1200 milliliters. To be able to bend the FreeArm, if it's tough to bend it like this, you can always bend it over your hip or over your leg, and that leverage can help you bend the FreeArm to that exact height that you need it at. For your top clip, you have your locking nut here. You want to place that over small hole first, and then attach your clip until you hear a click. And then use your locking nut to attach your FreeArm clip tightly to the top. Takes just a little bit. There you go. Then a couple of tips and tricks on the bottom. You have a quick release button here. You want to make sure that the clamp is loosened first, then press the quick release and this V plate will drop down. You can use this on the surface of the chair, surface of the bed, and instead of turning and turning and turning, you can press this quick release, press up till it touches your surface, then tighten, and you only have to tighten a couple times. If you are attaching to the top of the hard manufacturing brand crib, this tightening bar is slightly wider than the slats on the crib, so moving this tightening bar side to side is helpful. So after you utilize that quick release and press up on this, when you turn it, you slide this to the side, tighten, slide it to the side, tighten. And that way you're not running into the bars and having to twist over and over. Hope this helps. Thanks.